Want to make money online using ChatGPT? In this video, I'll show you how to create and sell digital products like eBooks, guides, and prompt packs. No design or coding needed. Now I'll show you exactly how to make money with ChatGPT in just 4 simple steps. Idea generation, content creation, design and formatting, and finally, sell and profit. First, go to chat.openai.com and ask, "Give me 10 digital product ideas I can sell online." ChatGPT will give you ideas like eBooks, Notion templates, prompt bundles, cheat sheets. Pick one that fits your skills or interests, and you're ready to move on. Once you've chosen a product idea, just ask ChatGPT. Write a 10-page beginner's guide to your topic. It will generate a full outline and content instantly. You can ask for edits, add your own tone, or request more detail. Boom! Your content is done. Copy your content into Canva. It's free. Use an ebook template or create a simple PDF layout. Add icons, covers, page numbers, make it look clean and professional. In just 10-15 minutes, you'll have a polished digital product ready to sell. Upload your PDF to platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. Add a title, description, and cover image. Set your price. Even $5 to $10 per product can add up fast. Share your link, add it to your bio, or promote it with shorts like this one. And just like that, you're making money with ChatGPT. And that's it! You've just learned how to create and sell a digital product using ChatGPT in 4 simple steps. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more AI-powered income tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments! And let me know if you want a full tutorial on creating a prompt shop or selling on Etsy next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.